do you think of my makeup? So I'm gonna start with my lip balm because my lips are really chapped. Moisturizer on my face. Yeah. Now I'm gonna do really quick eye makeup. Concealer by Elf. Conceal my eyelids. These past few days I've been like busy going out, traveling to London. It's like really expensive to shop in London, and honestly the clothes I have seen are like horrible. Like the thing is, like, they're selling rubbish clothes for like 30 pounds, 40 pounds. Like, you know, you can get really nice clothing pieces in that 30-40 pounds from online websites, so there's no point of going to London and buying. I just did not like the idea of selling clothes for that high prices. I don't know why the hell they do that. I used this one. I don't have a lot of time. I need to get ready quick because we are going to a place which is the biggest marketplace in the Europe, so I need to get ready. So yeah, I went to London like past 2 days. I was in London and then I came back home, and my home is not so far from London. It's just 1.5 hour of train journey and 120 minutes of car journey, so it's not so far. But to be honest, I didn't really enjoy it that much as I thought. Like, London is a big deal or something. It wasn't that big of a deal. Because I didn't like shopping places, but there are so many other shopping places I need to visit, so I'm planning on going tomorrow, most probably, not sure. Again, yeah. And I'm gonna do a really quick eyeliner, you guys. I know we're not making videos for really long. I did like a vlog video when I went to London, but I did not post it yet. I don't know why I waste so much time on YouTubing. So just listening to music, just wasting time here and there because I'm on annual leave. Okay. So what do you think of this eyeliner? Should I go a bit longer? Let me fix the eyeliner and come back. I'm gonna do the eyelining on this eye as well. I don't know, again, the lighting is not good. This side you can see the light, here you can't. So just let me quickly do my eyeline and come back. So I'm done with my eyes. Okay, one sec. Yeah, if you can see, I don't know if you can see. This is like, I bought iPhone 15 Pro thinking that the camera is gonna be really good, but the camera is horrible, to be honest. Like, I don't like the front camera of this iPhone. My iPhone 8 Plus was far better. But anyways, okay, this is how I look after eyelining, and I think I look far better after doing my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna keep my head down, quickly do eyelash. I don't have much time. Oh good. I can't really talk, you guys, because I'm in a hurry, so I'm just gonna do the makeup really quick and come back and talk about things later. Okay, and also make sure you watch the video till the end. I might do a bit vlog at the end, so whenever I see a light over here, the light over here goes. So yeah, I'm gonna use this I don't know what the name of this foundation is. I'm gonna use this too. I'm gonna mix this too. Okay, so these. Okay, and then go with this one pump of this. Because I cannot ever buy in my life a foundation which matches my skin tone, and I always buy the wrong shade. Always, either it'll be one shade lighter or one shade darker. What the fuck? Thank God it didn't fall on my dress. Thank God. I'm gonna quickly powder my face, but then I'm gonna use this one. Let me quickly. I'm gonna use this powder. It's Bonjour's Paris Healthy some powder. So let me quickly do blusher. I'm gonna go use this one today. It's too much blush. So let's do really quick eyebrows. Oh my god, eyebrows are really important. I'm gonna do that. I'm done with my eyebrows, so I'm gonna quickly take my kajal, and I forgot to like do the eyeline under here. This is by Kylie Jenner. It's like if you put this on, it would feel like you have no lipstick on, and it also looks like you have no lipstick on. I usually go with lip gloss, but today I'm not gonna put lip gloss on because it's so windy and my hair sticks to my lip gloss. So I'm not gonna do any hairstyle. I'm gonna keep my head down like this. So let me quickly do jewelry and all, and I'll come back. Okay, so that's about it. That's about it for the makeup. I really hope you enjoyed. Bye. This is how I look now with the lighting in front of me. I mean, I'm standing near the window. So what do you think of my makeup?
I look like
Not this mountains.
Don't randomly you're doing like this and doing it. Do something like this. I want the car is calling.
It's a YouTube video.
Hang on to that, and I can take a picture of it. I'll send it to you as an email.
It's not for Insta, it's for YouTube.
Anything else? No, that's it. Wonderful. I'll take that down as well.
Good work. Do you want to come in?
If you post it in somewhere, I will
Only for YouTube.